To redeem your Sam's Club membership, start by visiting the Sam's Club website or going to a physical store location. If you are visiting the website, click on the Join or Renew Membership option and follow the prompts to enter your membership information. If you are at a store, proceed to the membership desk where a representative will assist you. Once you have accessed your membership information, you will need to provide your membership number and other identifying details. If you have a new membership, you will receive a confirmation email with instructions on how to activate it. For existing members, you can simply log into your account to begin the redemption process. Next, review the terms and conditions of your membership to understand the benefits and services included. Sam's Club offers various membership levels, including the basic savings membership and the premium membership, which provides additional perks such as free shipping and pharmacy discounts. After reviewing the terms, proceed to pay for your membership using a valid payment method. You can use a credit or debit card, or other accepted payment options. If you are renewing your membership, you may be eligible for a discount or promotion, so be sure to check for any available offers. Once your payment has been processed, you will receive a confirmation email with your new membership details. You can then start enjoying the benefits of your Sam's Club membership, including discounted prices on bulk purchases, access to exclusive services, and other perks. To get the most out of your membership, be sure to take advantage of the various services and benefits offered by Sam's Club. This includes using the online shopping platform, taking advantage of pharmacy discounts, and utilizing the free shipping option for online orders. By following these steps and taking advantage of the available benefits, you can maximize the value of your Sam's Club membership and enjoy significant savings on your purchases.